Welcome to Rome, the Eternal City. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just someone looking to soak in the atmosphere of one of the world's most beautiful cities, Rome has something for everyone. In this video, we're going to guide you through everything you need to know for your first visit to Rome. Ready? Let's dive in. Getting there and getting around. First things first, let's talk about getting there by plane. Rome is served by two major airports, Fiumicino and Ciampino. Fiumicino, also known as Leonardo da Vinci Airport, is the main international hub. From the airport, you can easily catch the Leonardo Express train. You will arrive to Termini Station, the city's main railway hub. Once in the city, Rome's public transportation system, including buses, trams, and the metro, will be your best friend. But remember, the best way to explore the city is on foot. You'll discover hidden gems in every corner. Sometimes is the best way to avoid the crowd. Must-see attractions. Now, onto the most famous places. You can't visit Rome without seeing the Colosseum, the largest amphitheater ever built. The site of many bloody gladiatorial fights was opened in AD 80 and could then hold about 50,000 spectators. With a circumference of 573 yards and sitting on marshland, experts say the Colosseum is an engineering wonder. Centuries later, the massive complex is a favorite sight amongst travelers. After that, head over to the nearby Roman Forum and Palatine Hill to walk through the ruins of ancient Rome. The Roman Forum comprises much of the ancient Rome's most important structures, from shrines to government houses to monuments. Although much of the complex is in ruins, you can see the remains and imagine the former glory of the Arch of Septimius Severus, the Temple of Saturn, the Arch of Titus, and the House of the Vestal Virgins, among other structures. Next, make your way to the Pantheon, one of the best preserved monuments of ancient Rome. The Pantheon, a former Roman temple and now a present-day church, is known for its perfect proportions, which is amazing, seeing as it was raised in AD 120. While you're there, you can also pay your respects to Raphael, as well as Italian kings Victor Emmanuel II and Umberto I, who are all buried there. In your next stop, don't forget to toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain. Legend says it ensures your return to Rome. And if you think that's enough, wait. Rome is full of art and history. Every step you take and every move you make, there is something to see. There are wonderful places like Piazza Navona with the Fountain of the Four Rivers, and also Spanish steps decorated with exquisite flowers, or the Piazza del Popolo, always crowded by people and full of life. And for art lovers, the Vatican museums are a must. Marvel at Michelangelo's masterpiece in the Sixtine Chapel and explore the incredible collection of art and history. Or watch the wonders of St. Peter's Basilica. The Castle of the Holy Angel next to the Tiber River. The Circus Maximus. Or Largo di Torre Argentina, with a cat colony of 200 felines and the place where Julius Caesar was killed. Where to eat. All this sightseeing is sure to work up an appetite. Rome is a food lover's paradise. For your first visit, you must try some classic Roman dishes. Start with pasta carbonara or cacio e pepe. Head to Trastevere for authentic, local cuisine in a charming setting. There are lots of different ways to cook and prepare pasta dishes. And of course, don't miss out on Roman pizza. Thin, crispy, and absolutely delicious in a typical trattoria. And for dessert? Gelato, Italian ice cream, of course. You'll find some of the best gelato shops near the Pantheon or in the Trastevere neighborhood. Better something hot instead? Then a nice cappuccino is perfect for you. Insider tips. Before we wrap up, here are some insider tips to make your visit even better. First, consider visiting popular sites early in the morning or late in the afternoon to avoid the crowds. Second, explore beyond the main attractions. Rome is full of hidden gems, from quiet piazzas to lesser-known churches. Don't be afraid to get lost. That's often when you find the most magical spots. And finally, try to learn a few basic Italian phrases. The locals will appreciate it, and it'll make your experience much richer. Rome is a city that you'll never forget. From its ancient history to its vibrant culture and incredible food, your first visit will be the start of a lifelong love affair with the Eternal City. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to fall in love with Rome. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips, virtual guides, and curiosities. Arrivederci. Thank you.